Hi Jay, how's it going? So for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 5 different exercises for Thursday's workout. You did do something similar for the past 2 Fridays. So if you remember, it was like squat to shoulder press, deadlift to high pull. So what we're gonna do for this video is we're actually gonna combine them both into one continuous movement. So for the first exercise, the barbell thrusters, we're basically going to do a squat to shoulder press, but in one continuous movement. So I'm going to drop into a squat. I'm going to use my lower legs to push up the barbell. And when I get up to here, then I can start using my shoulders to press it all the way up. I'll go ahead and demonstrate it here on the squat rack with an actual barbell. First, we'll just go ahead and assume a squat stance. I'm going to grab the barbell here, shoulder width. We don't want to grab it too wide. We want to be able to control the barbell and have the load here by the shoulder. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to grab it, start into a shoulder press position. You're going to squat down and use your lower body to push the barbell all the way up, and then drop it back down and go back into the squat position. So it should be one continuous movement just like this here. And when I'm done, I'll go ahead, put it back to my chest, and re-rack the barbell. These exercises are meant to be done quick, so you want to push it up as fast as you can and come back down as fast as you can. For the second exercise, the high pull, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it here as well. So for the high pull, it is the deadlift to upright row. Instead of doing it separately, we're going to go ahead and do it as one continuous movement. So basically, I'm going to go deadlift to upright row just like this and back down. When we set up the barbell, we want it at least hip height or a little bit lower. And we're actually gonna grab it with a wide grip here. Okay, so here, step back. You're gonna do a deadlift to upright row. So deadlift and upright row. Upright row. Here. For the upright row, the barbell should at least come to the bottom of your chest. Just like the barbell thrusters. We want to pull it up fast and come down fast, just like this. The next exercise is going to be curl to shoulder press. First, we're going to go ahead and pick up the barbell, and we want to curl it up to at least our chest level. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to do a regular shoulder press all the way up, come back down, and curl the barbell back down to here. Go ahead and curl it up, and then shoulder press it up just like this. If it starts to get a little bit heavy or you get fatigued, you can go ahead and use your hips to swing up the barbell, and then use your hips to push up the barbell again. All right, the next exercise is going to be the squat row. For the squat row, basically you're going to have the dumbbells here to the side. You're going to squat down, and then you're going to back row up by pushing your hips up as well. So squat and then a back row up like this. You want to make sure you keep your chest over your feet. We don't want to be doing something like this. For the final exercise, the renegade rows, they are going to be a little bit tricky at first, but once you practice them for a while, you'll get used to it. And what you're going to do is you're going to assume push-up position with your hands on the dumbbells. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate. All right, so you're going to start here in the push-up position with your hands on the dumbbell, and you're going to do a back row for each side, and then go into a push-up. That will be 1 repetition. So back row, and then push up, down, and then repeat for the second rep, like this, and then down here. For the final portion of this video, I'll go ahead and demonstrate all 5 exercises at once. It will give you an idea of the repetition tempo you should be doing, and also the speed you should be doing each exercise. When you get used to these exercises and your cardio system gets better, you actually want to do all 5 of these exercises as one set. All right, so hopefully you have an idea about how fast you should be doing each repetition, and maybe in a few weeks you'll be able to do an entire set just like that. All right, so go ahead and message me if you have any questions. Let me know how it goes, and I'll be seeing you shortly. All right, I'll talk to you later.